Everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make football pizza pockets. Okay, for these football pizza pockets, it's pretty simple. What you need is 1 pack of pie crust that has the 2 crusts in there, or you could use pizza dough, either way. Then you need some pizza sauce, some pepperoni, some kind of cheese, whatever you like, or anything else that you want to put in there. You want to put some olives, mushrooms, whatever you want to put in there. Then you need an egg wash, which is just 1 egg white, and then you beat that with 1 tablespoon of cold water. And then you're going to need, of course, some kind of football cookie cutter. I didn't have one, so I just looked up how to make your own using a little tub of icing. You just cut the top off, cut the bottom off, then you press it together like this, and voila, you have a perfect football shape. So, and then of course you're also going to need some flour because we are going to roll these out, and of course a rolling pin, and then something to brush your egg wash on with, and then a cookie sheet, and you can either line it with parchment paper or spray it with cooking spray. But so our first thing that we're going to do is preheat our oven because it has to be at 425. Okay, so next you want to roll out one of your pie crusts and just go ahead and start cutting out your football shapes. Okay, so after you are done rolling out and cutting out all of your footballs, I was able to get 26, so that will make 13 little pockets. You just want to go ahead and put those on your cookie sheet and put a little bit of sauce on them, and then go ahead and add a couple of pepperonis and some cheese. Okay, so after your pepperoni is on and your cheese, you just want to take your top layer and we're just going to brush the outside with the egg wash, or the inside, just the outer circle though, and then put it on there and press it down, and then take a fork to make your edges around the edge, around all the outline of the edge. Okay, after all your footballs are filled and you have sealed them all, the next step is brush them all with your egg wash, and then just go ahead and make lines on the top so it looks like the football laces. So next we are going to bake those in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, those have cooked in there for 10 minutes, and I got them out, and they just look so cute. They really look like footballs. So we're going to let those cool off and have Taste Tester have a little taste. Okay, everyone, these are all ready to go, so we're going to put one on a plate and have Taste Tester have a little taste. Taste Tester.
Okay.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Yummy.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.